नाज मीडिया उर्दू में आपका खैर मकदम है। इस वीडियो को पेश करने में ताउन किया है यूनाइटेड हॉस्पिटल सपना मल्टीप्लेक्स के करीब गंपा रोड बेदर, हीलिंग ट्री हॉस्पिटल, मल्टी सुपर स्पेशलिटी बेदर, कैमरून इंडिपेंडेंट PU कॉलेज साइंस एंड आर्ट्स, अहमद टूरिस्ट एंड ट्रैवल्स हज और उम्रा सर्विस बेदर। आपकी खिदमत हमारी नजर में किसी इबादत से कम नहीं। आपका एतमाद ही हमारी कामयाबी।
The Punjab Legislative Assembly and a media face from Kotkapura, Faridakot, Punjab. At present, he is bearing the responsibility of Punjab Assembly Speaker. He is known for winning the elections of the Punjab Legislative Assembly by large margins. He is from the Aam Aadmi Party. He has been serving the people of his region for the last 5 to 7 years. He is working hard to serve the public for their welfare. He earned his bachelor's degree in 1997 from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, بیدر, one of the proud alumni. The prominent alumni award, Sardar Kultar Singh Sandwanji. Congratulations and thank you very much for accepting the award. I would now request Sardar Chiranjeevi Singh, former Ambassador of India to UNESCO and former Chief Secretary of Karnataka, to kindly come and be seated to receive the Lifetime Achievement Award 2022 by Sri Nanak Jira Sahib Foundation, بیدر. The former Ambassador of India to UNESCO in Paris, during his career, he has held several important central and state government's position, and he has worked as the Joint Secretary Chief Minister Sri D. Devraj Harsh right from his period. He was the chairman of the Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation, has held several illustrious portfolios during his career. And since his retirement, he is associated with numerous non-governmental organizations working in the fields of rural development. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause and congratulate Sardar Chiranjeevi Singh for the Lifetime Achievement Award. And now, I would request Sadguru Shri Dr. Shivakumara Mahaswamiji, President Chidambara Ashrama, Shri Siddharudha Matha, بیدر, to receive the Divya Chetana Award 2022. Among all the sacrifices, Vidya Dana is more virtuous than any other. His Holiness Shri Shivakumara Swamiji, who is known for his scholarly knowledge, spirituality and staunch belief in Indian culture, tradition and heritage, after visiting several religious, philosophical and cultural centers in different parts of the country. He is doing human service to the society. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause and congratulate Sadguru Shri Dr. Shivakumara Mahaswamiji, Abhinandanagalu, Divya Chetana Award ಗಾಗಿ. I would now request Padma Shri S. Vikramjit Singh Sani, the Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, to kindly come and receive the award for the Prominent Philanthropist Award. He is a member of the Parliament and Rajya Sabha, is a social entrepreneur, educationist, and importantly, unprecedented role that every way had taken the country's health infrastructure. Mr. Sani rendered exemplary service to the destitute by donating oxygen plants. He started a program, My Family, My Responsibility. Let's give a round of applause to Padma Shri S. Vikramjit Singh Sani for the Prominent Philanthropist Award. Bahut bahut badai and congratulations. And now, I would request Shri Bigala Ganesh Gupta, the MLA of Nizamabad Urban, to kindly come over. Shri Bigala Ganesh Gupta was a member of the Legislative Assembly of Nizamabad Union Constituency of the TRS Party. He won the post of a member of Legislative Assembly of Nizamabad Urban Constituency with the highest majority of 71,896 votes. Congratulations to Shri Bigala Ganesh Gupta for the Eminence Award for Public Service. Congratulations. And now I would request Padma Shri Sardar Jitendra Singh Shanti to kindly come over, the founder of Shaheed Bhagat Singh Seva Dal NGO in Delhi. As we are all aware, he was born in August 1, 1961. Shahid International Award also has received, and importantly, several awards. Padma Shri Jitendra Singh Shanti is the founder of the NGOs Shahid Bhagat Singh Seva Dal, and Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh Foundation is rendering yeoman service to the society in his own unique way. Outstanding COVID-19 Warrior Award 2022 on behalf of the entire citizen fraternity. Congratulations. ಇನ್ನು ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತಾ ಮಂಜಮ್ಮ ಜೋಗತಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಆಸೀನರಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜಾನಪದ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಸಿಂಗರ್, ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೋಗತಿ ನೃತ್ಯ, a folk dance form of North Karnataka. She became the first transgender woman to be the president of Karnataka Janapada Academy in 2019, the state's top institution for folk arts. In January 2021, the Government of India announced the Padma Shri Award for her contribution to the field of folk arts. And importantly, she became a prominent dancer in Kallava Jogati's dance group. She has rendered yeoman service to the art of folk. On behalf of the entire fraternity, Sabalikarana Award. Congratulations to Padma Shri Mata Manjamma Jogati. And there is a donation of 1 lakh to be given away to her by, I would request Sardar Nanak Singh Ji, Secretary of SNJSF بیدر, to kindly come over and give a check of 1 lakh to Padma Shri Mata Manjamma Jogati. Thank you very much for receiving the check. And now we move on to Reverend Dr. Robert Michael Miranda, the Bishop of Roman Catholic Diocese, Kalaburgi. So please welcome for Reverend Doctor for the Vidya Vikas Award. Put your hands together for Reverend Dr. Robert Michael Miranda, the Bishop of the Catholic Church Diocese of Gulbarga. He was ordained a priest on the 4th of May 1978. He is the founder president of the Gulbarga Diocesan Educational Society, focused on the education of the less privileged in the rural area, has rendered yeoman service to the society as bishop and the spiritual head of the Catholic Church under the Diocese of Gulbarga. We have just celebrated Christmas now, so let's give an extra round of applause for Reverend Dr. Robert Michael Miranda for the Vidya Vikas Award 2022. Congratulations. And now we have Padma Shri Dr. Deepa Malik, to the President of the Paralympic Committee of India, to kindly come over and receive the Krida Ratna Award 2022. Put your hands together. We all play sports, and it's indeed a matter of great pride that Padma Shri Dr. Deepa Malik is here. And also, I would request Sardar Pritam Singh Ji, the Life Trustee member of SNJSF بیدر, for the presentation of check of 1 lakh along with the award. He has been working tirelessly to empower and enable underprivileged persons with disabilities through her foundation. Wheeling Happiness, she is also handling public relations and grievances for Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Award. She is the winner of 5 President of India Awards, 4 Limca World Records, 3 International Awards, 68 national and state medals, 23 international medals. So, congratulations, Padma Shri Dr. Deepa Malik, for the Krida Ratna Award. Abhinandanegalu and Dhanyavadagalu. And now we have Dr. Samartha Raghava Nagabhushana, the founder of Kubera Technologies Bengaluru, the Excellence in Tantrodhyama Award 2022, to kindly come over to receive the award. He is a techno-visionary and accomplished entrepreneur with over 2 decades of experience in the global telecom industry, has led large organizations exceeding over $100 million in revenues and managed teams of over 1,000 engineers spanning 5 countries. He is a sought-after speaker at several prestigious engineering institutions. He is also the vice chairman of the World Organization for Students and Youth India. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Samartha Raghava Nagabhushana, the founder of Kubera Technologies, for the Excellence in Tantrodhyama Award. indeed a great achievement. He's also been a special invitee to the Karnataka Vision Group. And now I would request Shri Majid Bilal, the President of Humanity First Foundation, بیدر, for Jeevan Shanti Seva Award. Majid Bilal, the President of Humanity First Foundation, he has spent a considerable amount of his own money on the service. Remember, has come forward to give them a dignified burial cremation during COVID. He has performed the rites of over 700 bodies, and his team took full care of the fact that the last rites of the house. And also a check by Sardar Puneet Singh Ji, member Gurudwara Sri Nanak Jira Sahib بیدر, will give a check of 51,000, and the secretary will give a check of 51,000 also to Shri Majid Bilal in encouragement. Abhinandanegalu. I now request Dr. H.C. Nagaraj, Principal of Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology, who has come over here to receive the award on behalf of Dr. N.R. Shetty, Honorable Chancellor, Central University of Karnataka, Kalaburgi, for the Lifetime Achievement Award 2022. Jeevamana Sadhane Prashasti Barta ide, adru yaru chappale hodita illa. He has held several important positions. He was twice the Vice Chancellor of Bengaluru University, credited with innumerable reforms in the field of education, and importantly, Member Secretary, Chief Executive, Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts in New Delhi, Chairman of Southwest Regional Committee, and Dr. H.C. Nagaraj, the Principal of one of the most respected institutions of the country, Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bengaluru, has come over here. Congratulations to Dr. N.R. Shetty for the Lifetime Achievement Award. And now we have Shri Baswaraj Patil Sedam. On behalf of him, we have the President of behalf of him, Shri Revana Siddhappa Jalade, Director of Kaliana Karnataka Human Resources and Cultural Society, Kalaburgi, has come over here to receive the award on behalf of Shri Baswaraj Patil Sedam. Baswaraj Patil, one of the most respected politicians of the land, and who is a Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha from Kalaburgi, Member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha from Karnataka, patron of Bharat Vikas Sangam, and is brought up in the civil atmosphere of Tarnahalli, and has contributed immensely towards the backward region, making it a developed region. And the Director of Kalyana Karnataka Human Resources and Cultural Society, Revana Siddhappa Jalade, Abhinandanegalu, for coming over here and receiving the award. And now we have Dr. Syed Shah Khushro Hussaini. On behalf of him, Professor E.M. Pathan, Vice Chancellor of KBN University, will come over and receive the award. Vidya Poshaka Award is being conferred on Dr. Syed Shah Khushro Hussaini, and one of the pioneers who recognized the critical role of education in the empowerment of the community, and he has modernized state-of-the-art AC rooms for visitors and several other services to the nation. The vision of Dr. Syed Shah Khushro Hussaini, which established a university by the name Khwaja Banda Nawaz University, bringing under its ambit all the higher educational institutions such as Engineering College, Medical College, and so on. So let's give a round of applause for Dr. Syed Shah Khushro Hussaini, Honorable Chancellor, Khwaja Banda Nawaz University, for the Vidya Poshaka Award 2022 conferred on him by Shri Nanak Jira Sahib Foundation, بیدر. We would like to thank the Honorable Governor and the dignitaries for conferring the award. 3 awardees have not yet come. I would like to announce the 3 names of them. They are Srimati Baba Balwinder Singh Ji, Kar Seva Wale, Gurudwara Langar Sahib, Shri Huzur Sahib, Nanded, Maharashtra. We also have General Sardar Joginder Jashwant Singh, retired, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, former Governor of Arunachal Pradesh and ex-Chief of the Army Staff, Indian Army. And also Dr. Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, Chairman, National Educational Technology Forum. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause in absentia for Srimati Baba Balwinder Singh Ji, General Sardar Joginder Jaswant Singh, and Dr. Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe. We would like to thank the Honorable Governor for doing the felicitation. And now I would request the Honorable Governor to kindly felicitate the President of SNJSF now. I would request the President to kindly come over and take your seat to receive this felicitation, and thereafter the person of Guru Nanak Group of Institution, Dr. Reshma Kaur, and Dr. Sardar Balbir Singh, President. Ladies and gentlemen, they are doing yeoman service to the society. Let's give a round of applause and congratulate them. And the Honorable Governor is adding, by felicitating them, more responsibility of serving the society in a much, much bigger way. And they continue the good work, what they have been doing for a long, long time. And definitely, I'm very sure the Ashirwad of the founder, Sri Pant Ratan Shiromani Sardar Joga Singh Ji, is on them. And the Honorable Governor is indeed happy to felicitate the Guru Nanak Group of Institutions heads. So thank you very much for accepting the felicitation.